Good morning, children. It's phonetic time. Today we are going to learn one more new sound, that is k. K. Now I will show one picture. You need to recognize which animal is this. Before going to show that, let me give you one hint. It gives milk to us. It's very healthy for us. Which animal is this? Any guess, children? Yes, it's cow. K, cow. K, cow. K, camera. K, camera. K, carrots. K, carrots. K, cat. K, cat. K, carousel. K, carousel. K, camel. K, camel. K, cactus. K, cactus. So these are the pictures related to the sound. Which sound, children? K. Now it's time for recap. Let's do it once again. K, cow. K, cow. K, camera. K, camera. K, carrots. K, carrots. K, cat. K, cat. K, carousel. K, carousel. K, camel. K, camel. K, cactus. K, cactus. Now let me show how this sound look like. See, this is the sound K. This is the head and this is the tail. Are you ready with tracing fingers? K. 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 So this is the sound you need to practice from now onwards. Next time I'll come up with one more new sound. Bye bye children. Take care.